Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to model and analyze a simply supported beam. As you can see here, we have a simply supported beam with the total span of 10 meters, 5 kilonewton load is applied at the center of this beam. Beam with the cross section of 45 cm depth and 30 cm width. As we found these values from the preliminary design of beam. When we open the SAP2000, this window appears. As we have different type of template here, we can choose any of this. In case of beam, in case of 2D truss, 3D truss, 2D frames, 3D frames, wall. Now we select grade only, just OK. Here, this is by default. Just double click here, this window appears. Here, X grid data in X direction. This is X direction, this is Y direction, as you can see here, and elevation is Z direction. In X direction, A, B, C, D. X direction is shown by A, B, C, D, and Y direction is shown by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A and A ordinate 0 and B ordinate 6 meter. This is by default. In C 12 meter and D 18 meter. And Y grid from here 1, 0, 2, 6 meter, 3, 12 meter, 4, 18 meter. In Z direction, elevation Z1, 0, as you can see here, Z1, 0, Z2 here, 3 meter, 6 meter, 9 meter, and 12 meter. In case of this beam, we have X direction only. Just delete the others. Select this thing, just delete. OK. Now select this window and select XY, XZ. Here we have the main grid. We are working in this grid. Now define materials. Go to define materials. From here, add new materials. Region, you can select region, United States, like China, Europe, Indian, we choose Indian. From material type, we can choose rebar. And from grade, we choose grade of 500. OK. Add other new material. Select concrete and the mark of concrete 25 MPa. OK. Now define section properties, frame section, add new property. From here select concrete, rectangular, circular, pipe, any of them. We choose rectangular. From here change the name, beam. Depth of beam 45 cm and width of the beam 30 cm. From here you select the type of mark of concrete 25 MPa, and from here from reinforcement data select beam. OK, and you can also change the clear cover to 5 cm or less. You can adjust from here. And also you can adjust the reinforcement. OK. Now you can draw the beam from here. If you have many type of beam, you can select your beam from here. In this case, we have one beam. OK. After this, select the start point. To define the support, go to assign, joint, restraint. In the start we have hinge support, okay. At the end we have roller support. After this we assign load. Select the beam, go to assign, frame loads. We have different type of loads: gravity, point, distributed, temperature, strain, deformation, target, force, and so on. In this case we have point load. Select point load. Point load is in the case of dead load. Unit is kilonewton. Point load is applied at the center, 0.5 kilonewton. Okay. After this, run the model, save your model in 3.4. This is the deformed shape of the beam. Yeah. If you want to see this in the animated shape, I stop it. If you want to see the shear force and bending moment, go to display, show forces traces. From here, frame cable. For stresses, you choose this shear at a 2 to show the values of the on diagram. This is the shear force diagram. Yeah. This window, choose XZ. Go to display. From here you want to see the bending moment. Maximum bending moment is at the middle of the beam. It is 22.69 kilonewton meter. Thanks for watching. See you.